What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be reviewing both Bluechews and honey packs for you guys, letting you guys know which one is better in 5 different categories. So I'll rate them on a scale of 5 different categories, and by the end of today's video, I'll let you know which one is better and which one I personally prefer. Also, make sure you stick around to the very end of the video because I'm also gonna give you a hack to let you know how to make these work better for you. So make sure you stick around to the end so you don't miss out on that. Before I get into the categories, guys, I feel like Bluechew and honey packs have been going really viral right now, especially honey packs on TikTok. A lot of people are talking about them and how like off the honey pack, you just go crazy all night with your girl. I have other videos on my channel reviewing honey packs. So if you wanna go and check out a full review on each of these, I have reviews on both of them. But yeah, basically guys, what these are men's sexual enhancers. So they help in the bedroom for men. Honey packs are all natural. So these have natural ingredients in them like tribulus, maca, tonka ali, things like that. Whereas with Bluechews, these are actually chemicals. So Bluechew, you can get it in a couple different forms. You can get it in the Viagra form, which is sildenafil. You could get it in the Cialis form, which is tadalafil, or you can get it in the form that I get, which I personally think is the best. It's the vardenafil form. So I get it in 8 milligrams, which is the lowest amount you can get on Bluechew on their website. I get it in the 8 milligram amount, and I personally like vardenafil the best because with the Viagra version, a lot of guys say that it's really hard to actually like bust, so get to the point of ejaculation on it, and that it just feels really weird down there, like it feels almost unnatural. And then I've heard cases of the Cialis version not really working. Whereas with the vardenafil version, this is actually the newest version that they have. And it's just like the most advanced. Basically, you take it, there's not many side effects, and basically it helps you just get hard down there and you can sustain an erection for a long time, and it just like works really well. But that's just a little bit of information on both of these products, guys. Without any further ado, let's hop right into it. So our first category, which one lasts longer? So longevity, which one makes you harder for longer and makes it where basically you can last longer in the bedroom. So I'll start off with the honey pack. The honey pack is cool. I realized that when I was using it, it did help me last longer than I normally would. So say if I wasn't using a honey pack, I'll just be completely like TMI with you guys. Sometimes I don't be lasting the longest. So there's been times where I've been a 2-pump chump. There have been times where, you know, I could do my thing, but maybe it might only be 6 minutes or 8 minutes or 10 minutes. I feel like off the honey pack, it basically doubled whatever time I had. So say if like, for example, for you, if it's like normally you'll last like 10 minutes in the bedroom, well, off of a honey pack, it'll make you last like 20 minutes. With the Bluechew though, from taking just this one Bluechew, sometimes I would even only take a half. Guys, I felt like it almost 5x to my time in the bedroom. So say normally if I would last like 5-10 minutes, well, 5 times 10, I would last like almost an hour sometimes off of the Bluechew. So of course there are other factors involved for you, but I will say this category has to go to the Bluechew. Like off of this, I swear sometimes it feels like I'd be lasting like almost an hour off the Bluechew. I've never really done that off the honey pack. Maybe a little bit, like the closest maybe might have been like 30 minutes or something, but off of a Bluechew, this does make me hard for such a long time. I won't bust for a long time, and I can last almost an hour. So this category, the Bluechew wins. The next category, which one makes you bigger down there? So the cool thing about like men's sexual enhancers that a lot of guys don't really know is that they actually will help you increase your size down there. A lot of men, whether they like it or not, or whether they know it or not, suffer from things like ED, which is erectile dysfunction. It's a little bit of taboo, so a lot of times we as guys, we feel almost like embarrassed to talk about it, so we won't really talk about it. But a lot of guys do struggle with ED for one reason or another. And the cool thing about like sexual enhancers like these is that they help you actually reach your full length down there. So a lot of times, like when you get hard, you might think like, okay, maybe naturally like you might be like 4 inches or 5 inches, but you're not actually at your hardest because for one reason or another, you might have like a small, like little form of ED. The blood flow just isn't really like as much as it could be down there. And you might actually have some inches left in the tank that you don't even know about. So the cool thing about these is that you actually are gonna be your full size, and it makes it bigger down there actually, guys. Like it sounds super crazy, but both of these have made it where like whenever I'd be using them, I swear it looks bigger to me. And then like along the times that I've had these, sometimes I've had like girlfriends while I've been using these products. And a lot of times after using the product, sometimes my girl will be like, yo, like what happened? Like, did you grow in size down there? and she didn't even know that I was like using something like this. So I will say for this category though, Bluechew will take the cake again as the winner. Again, just from it being like chemically like made just to help you with blood flow down there specifically, it's gonna be really hard to beat. Now, I will say that honey packs did make me a little bit bigger down there. That can increase my size a little bit, but off the Bluechew, man, it's almost like that thing is like throbbing, like how big it is. Like, again, not trying to gas myself, but it's almost like it's just so, it's like it's full of blood. Like, I don't know how else to put it. It's at its biggest length and girth. So Bluechew wins this category. On to the next category, reliability. So the last thing that you want, you know, you're out with a young lady, maybe you guys are on a date, maybe you just have like a random hookup, whatever it is. And again, another thing that makes it where sometimes we'll use these sexual enhancers is because sometimes we have this thing called performance anxiety. So you're with like a really pretty girl, and the first time you're with her, you might not even have ED at all, but you're just so nervous because you don't want to like mess things up, or you want the experience to be like really good, or you just like the girl so much. I've been there, guys. Sometimes I've been with the baddest shorty, like the baddest bra you could think of, and it just has happened sometimes where you can't really get it up. And again, as men, it's like, it's a little bit embarrassing because in the moment, she'll be like, oh, like, don't worry about it. Like, don't worry, it's no big deal. But guys, you know the truth. Afterwards, she's gonna be roasting you in her text group chat, telling all her friends, and then most likely you won't see her again. Because especially if it's the first time that you're like hooking up with a girl, if you don't absolutely like lay it down, like, and destroy it, if you can't even get it up, she's just gonna be like, why am I gonna see this guy again? So you wanna make sure that in those situations, you have something like reliable. And I will say out of these two options, again, Bluechew wins this category. Like, Bluechew has literally never let me down. Like, whenever I've been in the clutch and I'm like, okay, I gotta make sure, whatever, boop, I'm with a new girl, I wanna like impress her, I wanna put in that work. There's never been a time that I've used a Bluechew and I wasn't able to get it up, that I wasn't able to sustain it for like a really long time, that I wasn't able to go rounds. There has been a couple times, guys, I'm not gonna lie, off the honey pack where I've used one before, and not that I wasn't able to get it up, but it just wasn't really like as strong as I would have liked it to be. Like with off of Bluechew, you know that like, okay, it's gonna get it up and it's gonna be like powerful every time. With the honey pack, depending on like what brand you get, or sometimes you can even get some that are like fakes or whatever, they just are like, sometimes they're hit or miss. So the cool thing about Bluechew is that you know that the dosage is gonna be the same every time and it's always gonna come through for you. So for that reason, Bluechew wins this category. For our fourth category, which one kicks in faster? So again, sometimes you'll be out with a young lady, or you'll just be at a party or something, and next thing you know, it might be one of those situations where like really quick, you know, a girl is just down to do the deed, she's down to hook up, get busy, you know, get into sexy time with you. And sometimes if you're in the clutch, you need that thing to kick in quick. You don't want it to be like taking time, especially with some of the other forms of Bluechew I told you about, like Cialis. Even like the original forms, sildenafil, like the original Viagra, sometimes those take 30 minutes to an hour to kick in. So you don't want to be like in a situation where you're with a girl and you need to get it up now and you got to wait like an hour for it to kick in. So out of these two, out of the honey pack and with the Bluechew, which one kicks in faster to make sure, hey, if it's in the moment and you just have to like, you know, immediately get hard, basically, you have to get it up right away. I have to say that Bluechew is gonna win this category again too. Especially with, again, guys, the version that I showed you that I have, the vardenafil, this be kicking in like basically almost immediately. I'll say 5-10 minutes, you're gonna be feeling like the blood flow going down there to the point where like, even if you're not doing anything, even if you're not aroused, it's gonna basically be going up by itself. So I do like Bluechew and I do like the vardenafil version of it for that. Again, it kicks in really quick, and a lot of times if you're in the clutch, you might need that. So out of the two that kick in faster, I'll say Bluechew. Bluechew is like 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll say honey pack, you're gonna wanna give it at least 30 minutes to an hour. So before you do the deed, with honey packs, you wanna give it at least a half hour to an hour beforehand that you take it before you're gonna get into sexy time. All right, guys, so for our final category, category number 5, which one has the least side effects? When you're taking stuff like this, it doesn't come without side effects. The main side effects that you're gonna experience from any men's sexual enhancer is you're gonna usually experience some type of headache and you're gonna experience red eyes. Now that's because a lot of times it has to do with blood flow. Something about it makes like your eyes really red. And then something about it also, I don't know if it's just like dehydration or whatever it is, but something to do with the blood flow. It just makes it where like you'll have headaches. So out of these two, I've noticed the most side effects off of Bluechew. So the one that I've had the least side effects with has been with honey packs. And I think the reason for that being is that honey packs are all natural. It's like royal honey in here. Like I said before, you have tribulus, you have Panax ginseng, you have all these things that are all natural. So it's not really gonna have too much of a side effect. Whereas with the Bluechew, since it is a chemical and it is like pretty potent, you are gonna be experiencing those side effects that I told you before. So honey packs win the category of having the least amount of side effects. So guys, out of the 5 categories, as you have probably guessed, Bluechew is the winner. Now, since this is like a pharmaceutical drug, technically, it's a medicine, it's gonna come out on top basically in every scenario because it was made, like it was chemically made just for the process of making you hard down there and like making it where it's so easy to keep it up, you keep it for a long time, you don't bust very quickly. So this was designed exactly for the purpose to help you down there. So since it's a pharmaceutical grade, this is normally gonna come out on top. Now, I will say if you are weird about like drugs or pharmaceuticals, medicine, stuff like that, and you want an all natural option, then royal honey would be the way to go. Now, for me, I normally do reach for the Bluechew over the honey pack. If I do want to be kind of like more on the natural tip, I will use a honey pack. But like I said before, honey packs aren't always the most reliable. But since you sticked around to the end of the video, I will let you know that hack I was gonna tell you guys about. Just take 2 honey packs. Now, I know that might sound kind of crazy or like, oh wow, like Alton's wilding. But literally, there have been times where I've taken 2 honey packs, and since it is all natural, nothing bad's gonna happen to you. If anything, you might just experience a little bit more side effects, like a little bit tiny more red eyes and a little bit more of a headache. But even when I've taken 2, and I've taken that multiple times before, I didn't even feel as nearly as much side effects as I would just taking like half of a Bluechew. So it's really nothing to worry about. And since it's all natural, you don't have to worry about like just anything medically terrible happening to you. Now, if you guys do want to learn how to increase your size down there by inches, yes, that's correct, by inches, click the first link in the description and the pinned comment. I made a quick guide for you guys telling you guys exactly some supplements that you can take to increase your size down there. Also, along with the protocol that will help you with making sure that you gain inches down there and make sure that it stays like that. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Like, what do you guys think is the winner out of these 2? Have you tried them before? Do you prefer the Bluechew or do you prefer a honey pack? Which one would you reach for first? I feel like the people that like all natural stuff will say honey packs, but let me know in the comments below. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications because I do post videos like this every single day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this video of me reviewing honey packs over here. I love you guys and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.